If you've been trying to grow a business, but it feels like you're just spinning your wheels, trust me, you're not alone. Most people will never succeed in business. And it's not because they're lazy or even unmotivated. It's because they keep making the same 5 mistakes over and over again, and no one ever tells them what they are. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those 5 mistakes are, but more importantly, how to avoid them so you can actually build a 6, 7, or even an 8-figure business that lasts. And hey, before we dive in, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you're serious about building a real business. I drop 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, packed with strategy, systems, and no fluff advice that actually works. Also, this is very important. Drop the word blueprint below in the comments, and I'll send you over my 5-step strategy that's helped me generate over 40 million in online sales across multiple businesses. I've used this exact system to scale physical products, digital offers, even service-based brands, and I'll send it to you 100% free. Just comment blueprint below and I'll hook you up. All right, now let's get into it. 90% of businesses fail. That's not a scare tactic. That's reality. Most people start a business with excitement, then they just stall out. But why? It's not because of the product. It's not even because of competition. It's because of their strategy, or rather their lack of having the right strategy. So if you're tired of launching things that just don't sell, or you're wondering why it feels so hard to gain traction, this video is for you. Reason number 1, most people don't actually have a business. They have a product, maybe a cool idea, but no clear offer, no clear pricing strategy, and no system that gets their offer in front of people consistently. Can you describe your business in just 1 sentence? Can someone understand who it's for, what it does, and why it matters? If not, then it may be time to rethink your foundation. When I launched Lagshot Golf, we didn't just market a product. We sold a result. Fix your swing instantly. Simple, clear, and targeted. This week, write your offer down in 1 sentence and test it on 5 people. If they don't get it or wouldn't buy it, then you've got some work to do. Comment below if this video starts hitting home with you, and don't forget to drop blueprint below and I'll send you the entire strategy. Reason number 2, anyone can make a sale, but brands, they make repeat customers. Brands, they build movements, and brands, they attract referrals. You don't want to be another Me Too business that just fades away. You want to be the brand that people recognize, they talk about, and even trust. At my online golf academy called Scratch Golf Academy, we gave massive value on YouTube before we even asked for a single sale. That value-first approach made us millions of dollars at that brand. A brand doesn't just mean a perfect logo. It means consistent value, trust, even an emotional connection to people. Choose 1 branding asset this week to improve. Maybe it's your about page, your mission statement, even your email signature. Make it feel premium. If this video is helping you think differently, please hit that like button so more entrepreneurs like you can see it. Reason number 3, leads are oxygen. Without them, your business dies. Word of mouth is great, but it's not scalable. You need daily traffic coming in through your content, ads, even partnerships. We used Facebook ads and YouTube videos to bring in leads 24/7. This is predictable traffic, which can equal to having a scalable business. Organic growth is great, don't get me wrong, I love YouTube. But build a plan to eventually invest the money you get into paid traffic. You want to be able to control your traffic. Control in your business is going to be key to growth. Map out your top 3 traffic strategies. Are they consistent? Are they predictable? If not, you've got some work to do. Comment blueprint below and I'll send you the same system we used to bring in leads every single day. It's yours free. Reason number 4. So many businesses die, not because they weren't good, but because the founder gave up too early. People expect results in just 30 days, and when it doesn't come, they just bail. But the winners, they adapt, they pivot, they relaunch again and again and again. I launched products that flopped, but each time I learned, I improved the messaging, maybe I tweaked the offer, and then I tested again. Eventually, I nailed it. And then when you nail it, you scale fast. Go back to the one thing that you've abandoned. Try to relaunch it with one key change this time, maybe a new angle, maybe a new hook, maybe some new urgency. And don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss next week's video where I'm going to be breaking down how to revive an old funnel from scratch. Reason number 5, if your business requires your presence 24/7 to survive, I'm sorry to say it, you don't have a business, you have a job. Systems are what free you. Automation is what allows you to scale. At my company, Lagshot Golf, we had email flows, retargeting, upsells, fulfillment, all handled by systems so that I could focus on the bigger picture, which is real growth for the company. Don't overcomplicate this. Start by creating a checklist or even a Loom video for your most repeated tasks. Choose one process this week and document it. You've just started building your system library. Drop a comment if you're ready to stop doing everything yourself, and don't forget, type blueprint below and I'll send you my full business automation framework. This is a bonus strategy. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to take action. The people that win are the ones that launch, test, improve, not the ones that wait until everything is perfect and flawless. If you've been holding back because you don't feel ready, then this is your sign to move. Post something that's messy. Who cares? Just launch something that's imperfect. You're gonna learn more by doing that than you will by planning. If you're serious about applying these principles that we've talked about and scaling your business the right way, I would love to talk with you. Book your free strategy call at 40mblueprint.com or check out the links in the description. I'll personally help you identify what's been holding you back. I'll even give you a step-by-step plan to move forward. Please drop a comment below which of these 5 mistakes is slowing you down right now. I read every single comment and I reply to every comment. Go ahead and drop the comment blueprint and I'll DM you the full system for building a 7-figure brand using traffic, automation, and irresistible offers. Like this video if it's helped you, and please subscribe if you're ready to grow. Share this with someone who's been trying to build something real. Let's grow, and I'll see you in the next video, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you 2 of my top videos right here. I'll see you in the next video.